Welcome to the CFD weekly overview of the global financial markets. The euro was volatile but finished the week lower as the dollar eased back slightly from multi-year highs after the publication of the slightly higher than expected US inflation data. However, concerns remain in the eurozone both about inflation and the energy crisis. The British pound climbed after the government decided to abandon its mini-budget policies of cutting taxes, and Chancellor Kwarteng was sacked after only a month in the job. Investors have welcomed new Chancellor Hunt's reversal of previous policies, but it remains unclear whether Liz Truss can survive as Prime Minister. The USD Japanese yen climbed to fresh 24-year highs as Japanese central bank officials signaled they will discuss potential policy changes this week amid fears that the weakening yen is negatively impacting the economy. Gold prices sank to three-week lows after US CPI inflation figures came in slightly higher than expected. US Fed meeting minutes also reiterated that the overriding priority of the Fed was to bring inflation down. Indices finished the week slightly lower, with stocks starting to move higher towards the end of the week after positive earnings results from the banks. The policy reversal in the UK also improved sentiment in the markets before Friday's close. Oil prices fell after traders banked profits following the previous week's gains. Traders were disappointed by weekly inventories figures and by news that China would continue its zero-tolerance COVID policy of lockdowns, despite earlier reports that suggested this policy would end. You've been watching the CFD weekly overview of the global financial markets.